Welcome to Chapter 2 on Discussions and Collaboration. Today we will learn how to use the tool Padlet. This page shows a potential outcome of the discussion and collaboration using Padlet. As you can see, students are able to share their ideas as well as pictures. So why Padlet? Padlet is free. You can create up to 3 Padlet platforms. It's suitable for synchronous and asynchronous sharing, so students can go on Padlet anytime to share their thoughts and questions. It is web-based, so there is no need to download an app on the computer. And finally, it is a platform for which we can gather, share, and modify ideas. What's the benefit of having visuals for small group work? Well, it caters to the visual learning style, so students can upload pictures, videos, as well as link to websites and need not read chunks or paragraphs. The discussion points are noted and they can rearrange them together later to synthesize them better and present their work. What are the 4 steps for Padlet using? First, we need to sign up for Padlet, create an account, make a Padlet, and this will depend on what type of format you would like. Share the Padlet with your students or participants, and finally provide some instructions on how to use Padlet. Our first step is to sign up for Padlet. You may go to the link on the top left of this slide or go to Google to find Padlet. Once that's done, you will be presented with a window to sign up using an email or sign up using Apple, Google, or Microsoft. Our second step is to make the Padlet. Here you can see 7 different styles for which it caters to your specific needs. I preferably like to select the wall function to enable students to present their ideas. You can select the timeline or the canvas ones to cater to your specific needs. Once that's done, you may be asked to insert the title and the description of your Padlet. You can also create specific design by selecting your wallpaper, your color scheme, and changing the font. Once you have settled on the design, press Next in order to finalize the design of the Padlet. Our third step is to share the Padlet. To do this, click on the address section and press Copy to Clipboard. This will copy the link to your Padlet. I personally like my students to scan QR codes in order to link them to the Padlet. To do this, you may go to a QR code generator, insert the link in the QR code generator, and this will generate a QR code. I copy and paste this QR code on my PowerPoint presentations. Our fourth step is to use the Padlet. Here are some instructions for your participants. First, they need to scan the QR code if you are using QR codes, so they may do this using their phones. This will bring them to a page in which, in order to add an idea, they may click on the plus button on the bottom right. This will pop up a window for them to enter the content. So they may enter the subject, write something beautiful, and then enhance their post with pictures and links. So the different icons will enable them to upload pictures, links, or even videos. Once they are done, they may click on the top right Publish button to insert their views onto the Padlet wall. And here is an example of how the final Padlet may look like. There are other creative uses of Padlet. You may ask students to review an article and input their opinions. You may provide a topic summary. You may ask students for opinions or discuss in a forum. You may ask students to self-introduce themselves or give thank you notes to students or ask students to provide thank you for your lessons. And finally, it can be a platform for students to ask questions. Thank you very much, and I'll see you for the next session.